Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. In this video, we'll learn how to change the reading language in the Blinkist app, whether you're learning a new language or just prefer reading in your native one. First, open the Blinkist app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right. Then, scroll down until you find the section labeled Language Selection. Tap on it to open the list of available languages. After that, choose your desired reading language from the list. Finally, tap OK to confirm your selection. The Blinkist app will automatically update your reading language, and you can start enjoying your blinks in the language you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully changed your reading language in the Blinkist app. I hope this video helped you customize your reading experience. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.